So in this video, I'll be doing two tests today. I'm using my Mini 5 Pro, using my RC2 controller, and the whole point of this test is using the Advanced Return to Home feature, which is amazing. I've done a previous video on this, very similar, but I think this one's much better because on one of the tests, it didn't actually go to plan. But anyway, the first test is where I'm inside the abandoned building that's got a full roof on it. I want it to fly out through the door, out into the countryside. I then press return to home and the drone will come back in through the door and land on the landing pad. That's the test. The second test is outside the building. I think it was about 50 feet away. Was then to fly the drone back through the door inside the building, press return to home, and then hoping it would come back through the door and land on the landing pad. As I just mentioned, one of them didn't work quite as good as I thought it would. But that's the whole point of these tests. Hope you enjoy the video. Enjoy. What I'm going to do now is I've got my home points already been done. I'm in normal mode. I'm just going into the settings in a minute. I've got bypass on. I'm going to leave that on for the moment. I just want to check the settings. I've got it on optional. Got return to home. 147. Altitude. I think we're all done. So look, the idea of this video, I want to do a test. The advanced return to home. I'm inside a building. I've got 17 satellites. So I know I've got satellites. I've got a roof here. And what I'm going to do is fly out the door, fly about, and then press return to home. And hopefully it'll come back through. That's the plan. Will it work? That's the thing. So home point's been updated here. I'm going to fly the drone out of the door if it allow me. Should do. Yeah. Right, I'm just going to let's see if it can go through that gateway as well. Right, go down a bit more. No, it won't go down anymore. Okay, so what it's going to do, it's going to go up and over. That's fine. So I'm just going to send it out. And while it's out there, I'm going to put on the video because I want to capture the footage of this if it's possible. And we're just going to go for a bit of a flyabout up over the road. You probably might recognise the area. It's one of my other testing areas where the tree is. Yeah. Okay. I think this is pretty good for a return to home. So let's do return to home.
Return to home.
So what I'm hoping is going to fly back into here onto the landing pad. But that's the question. Is that going to happen? Somebody's been living in here. Okay, so it's coming down. Now I've got bypass on, so it'd be interesting to see what happens there. So it's looking at it. It's looking at it.
Complex environment ahead. Continuously monitor environment during RTH.
Yeah, I'm doing that. Okay, C2, it's saying. Me checking the buttons. Right.
Complex environment ahead. Continuously monitor environment during RTH.
So it's doing RTH. Right, looks like it worked. You know what? Isn't that amazing? And it's turned itself round and landed. Oh, I'm just going to turn off the footage. Right, I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting, because I did a test the other week with the Neo 2. Now I know with the Neo 2 hasn't got that capability. A lot of people did say to me, Sean, you don't have any satellites, but it wouldn't have made any difference. It would have landed on the roof or it would have landed out there. This drone, this Mini 5 Pro drone's got so much more technology in it. And if you're thinking about buying a drone this year, guys, Mini 5 Pro is well worth paying that little bit extra, because that, to me, was amazing. You saw me, it was outside there. It already said it was a complex situation there. I pressed the C2 button and it just flew in. So all I need to do now is take off. So this is going to be the home point, guys. Okay.
Take off. Home point update.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is going to be interested in this, because I've got it on bypass, but I'm hoping I can fly it into that building. That's the plan. Now, obviously, you can hear the avoidance there. It's not liking it at the moment, but I think that doorway is pretty big enough. Let's come down a little bit more. Okay. Now, see, with the bypass is making it go up. Let's do it again. Do my head in that noise. Okay, I think what it is, I don't know why it went through the other one. Okay, it's gone in. Okay, that's good. Come on, keep going. Oh, right. Okay. Right. I'll tell you what, when I got my goggles on, it's so much easier. No, it's just getting through that doorway. Okay, let's just tend to get in now. Okay, so if I turn the drone around, maybe I have to go in a little bit more. Yeah. Turn it around. Okay. I think what it is, I'm quite close to that door, so I'm going to go backwards a little bit more. No, it's not going to let me go back anymore. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to press return to home and just see what happens.
Return to home.
And I forgot to put the video on. Okay. Right, for some reason it's stuck there. Now I remember saying if I press C2, no, I don't want to press. Okay, so I'm making the drone go forward. Right, return to home's been stopped. Okay, so okay, so obviously if I press return to home again now,
Return to home.
okay, so that wasn't a brilliant test really, was it? But you know, it's worth giving it a go. Okay, and it's landing pretty near, but I didn't give it time to really to. Right, I'm going to try this again, but this time I'm going to turn off the obstacle avoidance. Right, so we're off. I'm just going to move the drone onto the landing pad. I'm not saying that make any difference, but I just want to see what happens. Okay, so auto take off.
Take off.
Okay, I'm just going to raise it up a little.
Point updated.
Okay, the home point's been updated. Right, I'm just going to check that a moment. Yeah, it's not saying it's off. Okay, I'm going to fly it to where we was a moment ago. Is it going to work this time, guys? I don't know. It's good training for my fingers, really.
Landing.
No, I don't want to land. And it's falling upside down. Would you believe? Let's do it again.
Take off.
Okay, still got the...
Home point updated.
Right, let's just send it off in there a minute. Right. I've gone too far this time. Come back a bit. Let's go over a bit. Okay. Come down, not too much this time. Right. Okay. Let's just see if we can get through the gap there. Right, obviously because I turned it off, even though it's still warning me. Right, I'm not going to go. Right, I've lost my satellite position. No, it's back again now, because there's holes in that roof. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do return to home, and we'll see what happens this time.
Return to home.
Right, it's obviously going to that wall. It's not liking it. Can I bring it over? I'm moving the stick. Right. Well, I'm moving the stick, but the drone's fighting. Come on. No, I'm moving that stick there. Right, let's just... Okay, and what's happened is the return to homes is kicked out. Bit of a yes and no on that. Okay, I'm just going to see if it comes back to where it's supposed to be. That's interesting. So the first test I'd done was slightly different, whereas this one I tried to make it go in the building and come back, but it was a little bit more, and obviously I had the obstacle avoidance off, and looking at it, it's not going to land on the landing pad, but that doesn't matter. That wasn't part of the test on this. So, bit of a... I enjoyed the test last week, and thankfully a lot of you also enjoyed the test last week, so I thought I'd do another one this week. So this one was more to do with the advanced return to home that the Mini 5 has, which is fantastic, I must say. First test, which that was just going to be a test video for me. I didn't think it was the work, and it did, so I put that up that you guys are watching. So that just shows you I don't edit too much out of this. On the second one, I wanted to, obviously here was the return to home. I set the drone up, I flew it into the building. It took a little bit of getting used to, but that was mainly because the obstacle avoidance was on, and on bypass, and when I brought it out, it got confused and then it kicked itself out. So I brought it back again. We did it again, didn't we? This time I turned off the obstacle avoidance completely, even though it is there in the background, really. When it flew out, I think it was the main doorway there. I had to actually use the stick. But even though it was fighting it, and then it just kicked itself out of return to home. So, interesting. So, a pass and a fail. But hey, I'll tell you what, that Mini 5 Pro drone is an amazing little drone. And if you're thinking about getting one, you're saving your pennies, get it. As always, guys, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.